In this video, I just want to show you how I can take my notes from Neo Studio and then move them into Notion via the transcription services in Neo Studio. And then I want to use the AI generation feature in Notion to add some ideas. So in Neo Studio, I hit transcribe. I then can move my notes into Notion. I'm now going to find where I want to place those notes. I'm going to put it implementing Neo Smart Pen. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going back to Notion, and now you can see the notes that I moved in Neo Studio are there. And now I'm going to use the AI function to generate some ideas for implementing those notes. So you can see I can click on the brainstorm ideas, or I can type in what I want it to generate. And you can see I can say, how can I implement Neo Smart Pens for note taking? And then I click, and in a second you'll see Notion generate some ideas for me. So this can be a really good workflow for those of you that like using pen and paper to generate some ideas and then move it into Notion. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please contact me. Also want to let you know that I do training if you think this might be of interest to you.